All right, Travis, just going to go through a few things here on this RDB-250 for you. So, nice part about it, it's got a manual mode and a program mode. So, manual mode, if you click on that, you can come in here and set your degree of bend and your spring back and your speed, and just goes right to town in bending. So, if I want a 180 degree bend with 9 degrees of spring back, and I can go all the way up to a speed of 6, there's 6 different speeds. And then I'm just going to press the foot pedal and it's going to make the bend for me. So once it's done, it'll stop automatically. You release your foot off the foot pedal, and there's a reverse foot pedal as well to bring it back. So there's just doing a quick manual bend, super easy. Just to come up here, set your tube in, and do a real quick bend if you needed to. So for your repeatable parts that you're going to use from, for everyday stuff, if we go here, we'll hit exit, go to program mode, and we can store up to 170 programs. Each program can have 10 bends. So we've got a few different test ones in here. So this number 2, I got a hoop, just kind of a roll cage hoop. So if I hit run, we're ready to go. It's got each of our bends programmed into it. I've got 4 bends on this one. So the first one is a speed of 6 because it's kind of just a short hangout of tubing out there. If I've got a long piece, you don't want to go whipping around the shop, so you can slow that down to 3 or 2 or even 1 if it's really long. So right here you can see my angle is 30 degrees. I've got my spring back. You can add a material rotation. That way your guy knows if it needs to be at 0 or the second bend needs to be at 90 from the first. So, and then your counter die position, you can actually enter that, and I'll show you that gauge here in a little bit. So basically this first one, you just come up, put your tube in, and hit your button. That's going to do your bend. It stops it automatically. My foot's still on the pedal. It doesn't go anywhere. I bring it back. Now it automatically switches to our second bend. So I remove my foot. I can move my my die or my material in the die, and my second bend is ready. It's got 60 degrees for the second bend at a speed of 5. So I literally just come up, hit my foot pedal again, and go. So super slick that way. All touch screen here, so really easy to work with. You can go back here and hit the view and edit, and we can actually go through, and it's got each step. So here's bend 1, bend 2, bend 3, and bend 4 in there. If I want to add another, you just hit up again and you can add another. Super easy. So really easy to program. It just has all your stats here, so your angle, your spring back, your speed, and then the other items that you can put in just for reference, like your counter die position and your material rotation. So I'll just take you around here. So on the bender, we've got our counter die position indicator, so you can keep it the same pressure for each die. I'm going to bring this die back around here. Go back through. So that's speed 5. So you can see it's nice and quick bending. So again, basically you've got your quick release, just like you were talking about on the Ercolina. So that comes right up, and then you've got your tightener here to bring it in and out real quick. So you can bring it right in, nice and tight on the tube, and you're ready to go. So super handy there. Overall, real nice machine, compact, 220 single phase. Definitely one of my favorite benders that we offer. So you can see here on the 175, a little bit different setup. That's got the ratcheting mechanism that you were talking about. This style, it only has just a single screen for your degrees and setting the stop, and that's it. No indexing table. So this would be super nice with an indexing table. If you had like several repeatable parts, if you wanted to do 20 to 50 parts at a time, you can set those length stops, and then just knock out those parts really quick. So there we go. If you have any questions, give me a call, shoot me an email. Thanks.